Hello children, in today's class we will learn how to do subtraction with borrowing. For subtracting two numbers, first thing we do is to arrange the given numbers in column. So here you can see the given numbers are 94,532 and 52,466. So arrange them in columns 9, 4, 5, 3, 2, minus 5, 2, 4, 6, 6. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So start subtracting from the ones place. At ones place we have 2 ones and 6 ones. We have to subtract 6 ones from 2 ones. But 6 is greater than 2. So we cannot subtract 6 from 2. That is why we will borrow 110 from tens column, which will make this 2 equals to 12. 2 will be left in the tens column then. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Now come to tens column. Here we have 2 tens and 6 tens. We have to subtract 6 tens from 2 tens, which is again not possible. So borrow 100 from hundreds column. So here 4 hundreds will be left and this will be converted into 12 tens. So 12 minus 6, 6. 4 minus 4 will be equals to 0. 4 minus 2 equals to 2 and 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So the answer is 42,066. Similarly, in the next question, arrange the given numbers in column form first. So 2, 5, 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 4, 4, 9, 6. Start subtracting them. Here also we cannot subtract 6 ones from 2 ones. So we will borrow 110 from tens column and it will be converted into 12 ones. Here 2 tens are left now. So 12 minus 6, 6. Come to tens column now. We have to subtract 9 tens from 2 tens, which is not possible. So we will borrow 100 from hundreds column. So 4 hundreds are there. Borrow 100. 3 will be left. And it will be equals to 12 tens. So 12 minus 9, 3. In hundreds column, now we have 300s and 400s. We have to subtract 400s from 300s, which is not possible. So again, borrow 1000 from thousands column. So here 5000s are there. We will borrow 1000, so 4 will be left and it will get converted into 1300s. So 1300s minus 400s will be equals to 9. 4 minus 4, 0 and 2 minus 2, 0. So the answer is 936. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations. We can check any subtraction sum with the help of addition. So let us first do the subtraction of the given question. 5219 minus 2578. Write these numbers in column. So 5219 minus 2578. We have to subtract them. So 9 minus 8 is 1. We have to do 1 minus 7, which is not possible. So borrow from hundreds column. So here 1 will be left and 1 tens will be converted into 11 tens. 11 minus 7 will give us 4. Now come to hundreds place. 1 minus 5, not possible, so borrow 1000 from thousands column. 4 will be left here and it will be equals to 11 hundreds. 11 minus 5, 6. 4 minus 2, 2. So the difference is 2641. Now we know that the number by which we have to subtract is called as minuend. The number to be subtracted is the subtrahend, and the number which we get after subtraction is the difference. So if we have to check our subtraction sum, then we have to add the difference and the subtrahend, and it should be equals to minuend. If the sum of difference and subtrahend is equals to minuend, then the subtraction sum is verified. So let us check this subtraction sum. Difference is 2641. Subtrahend is 2578. We have to add them. So after adding 8 plus 1, we'll get 9. 4 plus 7, it will be equals to 11. So write 1 here and carry 1 in the next column. 6 plus 1 plus 5 is equals to 12. Write 2 here and 1 will be carried to the next column and it will be equals to 5. So you can see we got the sum 5219, which is equals to the minuend. That means the subtraction sum which we have done is verified. Let's see the next question. We have to subtract 2468 from 3000. So 3000 minus 2468. We have 0 ones here. So we need to borrow from the tens column. But here in tens column also we have 0. So move to the hundreds column now. Again in hundreds column there is a 0. So we will borrow from thousands place. So 2000s will be left here. And it will be equals to 10 hundreds. But we have to give 100 in the tens column. So 9 hundreds are left here. Again in the tens column we have to give 110 in the ones column. So 9 tens are left here. And after borrowing 110 from the tens column, there are 10 ones in ones column. Now start subtracting. 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 4, 5, 2 minus 2, 0. So we have 532. The difference between these two numbers is 532. Now let us check our answer. Write the difference and the subtrahend, that is 2468, and add them. So 2 plus 8, 10. 0 will come here and 1 will be carried. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 10. Again 1 will be carried. Here also 5 plus 1 plus 4 will be equals to 10. 1 will be carried. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So the sum of difference and subtrahend is equals to the minuend, which means the subtraction sum is verified.